What is the message? School message? Mama. See, the school message is there. What school message? I don't know, there's something is there. Oh, that's such a great news. What happened? Finally, things are going back to normal. Means your school is reopening. Is it? Yay! I'm so happy. Yes. Come on, now let's get all your things ready for school. Yeah, okay. Where's your school bag? Your school bag, right? Yeah, please. Here it is. Oh, it's too dirty. How I will take this? Don't worry, I'll clean this one. Will it be fine? Yes. Okay. Now, but look at your hair. Haircut. Yes, tomorrow you are going for haircut. Okay? Okay. Yes. One more thing. Your uniform. Yeah, please check no. Yes. Here it is. Come. Let me check. Don't move. Oh dear, it's too short now. What? Then what I will wear? We need to buy a new one. When can we go for that? Let me check that. Okay. You do one thing. You go and check your books. Okay? My books are all fine, no? No, you need to check first whether it's covered properly or not. Okay? Yes. Go and check. Mama, cover is coming out. Oh, is it? Yeah, this is also not covered. Oh, then this work we'll do it together. Okay? Evening we'll finish. And one more thing. What? We need to make a list. Which list? Very important. What, Mama? See, nowadays, what we are following? That if you are going out, you need to cover your face, right? Mask. Also have to be a whole day? Yes, and sanitizer. Okay. Right? Okay, Mama. Just make a list of all these things. Okay. And evening we'll go for shopping. Okay? Yeah, I'm so happy.
Oh, we lost the match. These fellows are not playing. Nonsense. Message from school? Oh no! School is reopening. My long vacations come to an end. I don't know whether my uniform is going to fit. Let me go and check. Mama!
Why are you screaming?
Where's my uniform?
What is this?
Oh, Mama, I want my uniform.
Why you need your uniform now?
Say this message.
Oh, I'm so happy.
No.
The school is opening.
No. I don't want to go.
God has heard my prayer.
No.
It's good for you now.
No, I don't want to go.
Okay, you move. Let me search the uniform. This is your uniform, right? This one. I think it has a smell. I'll wash and give you.
Let me check.
Okay, try.
Mama.
It's okay. See, when the school open, you go in color dress. I will please speak to the teacher. Okay?
Mama.
We'll buy new one. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. I will get a new uniform for you. When the school opens, you go
go in color dress. Okay? Okay.
See the sun shine in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? I gotta sing out loud and say that it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. Yes, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you.
Dear children, how do you wish your teacher? Say good morning, ma'am, not hi, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priya, don't sit together. Go to the next bench.
No, ma'am. I am missing my friend. Let us sit together, please.
No, Priya. COVID is still not over. We have to follow the rules. Social distancing is very important. That's like a good girl.
Ma'am, did you finish your breakfast?
Yes, dear. Thank you. Please sit down. Let's start the class. What is this, Sapna? Why do you have the phone with you?
Ma'am, I am logging into NLP.
But you are already in the class. Give me the phone.
No, ma'am, my parents will scold me, ma'am.
No, they won't say anything. You give it to me. You can take it from me after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's start the class. Why are you opening your tiffin now? It's not break time yet.
I'm feeling hungry, ma'am.
Close it now. You can eat during the break time. Children, today we are going to learn about nouns. Do you know what is noun? What is a noun, children?
I know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, children. Be quiet.
Mute.
Oh, what I actually mean is that you have to answer one by one. Okay, Swapna, tell me, what is a noun?
Ma'am, adjective.
Priya?
Action word, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, opposites.
I think all of you have forgotten what is a noun. No problem, we will revise again. Open your books to page number 4. We are going to learn about nouns.
Ma'am,
Just a minute. Nouns. What happened, dear?
Ma'am, I don't have my book, ma'am. It's in my hometown.
Oh, you should have remembered to bring all your books. No problem. Try to get one or get it xeroxed. So nouns are naming words. Okay, I'll ask them to mute.
Ma'am, class bell.
Oh, sorry children. The class got over. Thank you children. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Good morning, children. Don't sing and wish. Wish properly once again.
Morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. What is your name, ma'am? Which subject are you teaching?
I know her. Shakti ma'am. Shakti ma'am.
Yeah, last year she was a GK teacher.
Okay, now everyone open your rough notebook.
Rough book 1 or 2, ma'am?
How many pages, ma'am?
You can take rough notebook 1 and 80 pages book.
Ma'am, when can we go home?
Today only the school reopened and please concentrate in studies. After 2 o'clock you can go home. Children, tell me what is 5 plus 4? 5 in the mind and 4 on the finger.
Ma'am, 5 in the mind or 4 in the mind?
5 in the mind and 4 on the finger.
Ma'am, can I eat my snacks, please?
Not now, Priya. You can eat during the snack break time. That sound coming from? Oh yes, I did not notice that you were logged in. Yes, tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the board.
Yes, let me adjust the laptop.
Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, your screen is blurred, ma'am. I cannot hear you properly, ma'am.
Refresh your screen. Check your connection.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now solve this sum everyone and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Me.
Yes, write the answer in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Where are you going?
Ma'am, I'm going to type the answer in the chat box.
No. Come here and write the answer on the board. Yes, very good. Your answer is correct.
Ma'am, bell rang.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ, आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए। ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू। पेट में ठेस लगी, चूहों की रेस लगी, गला
Children, don't make so much noise. Admin has access. He can join the meeting anytime.
Meeting?
Oh, what I mean is, the principal is on rounds. He can come anytime. So behave yourselves.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Bharat YouTube channel. Take a selfie. Smile.
Hey Bharat, camera is over you.
Wear your mask.
Where?
Hey Bharat, camera is over there.
Hi everyone. How are you all?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, friends.
Hi guys. Selfie.
Thank you, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. So you're back to your offline classes. Are you all enjoying? Excited to come back to the school?
Yes, ma'am.
That will come to know by the end of the day. So it's prayer time now. Stand up and take your prayer position. Children, please don't keep your cameras off.
Ma'am.
Oh, sorry, it's a prayer time. Okay, children, have your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I come in, ma'am? Yes, please.
Hey, mere jaan.
Behave yourself and get back to your place. Children, please answer your roll call. Ebin, Anupama, Ashraf, Bharat, Denny,
Yes, ma'am.
Gayatri, Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Kavya.
May I get in, ma'am?
Are you a student of this class?
Yes, ma'am.
New admission?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your seat. When we were in the online mode, we had already discussed this chapter. Now I'll give you the notes of it. Please note down. Children, please note down what I'm giving you right now. We had already discussed this chapter when we were online.
Ma'am, no need to write on blackboard. Please send in WhatsApp.
Don't act smart. Jot down whatever is given to you on the board.
have Papa quiz today?
Unmute yourself, child.
Ma'am, do we have Papa quiz today?
Oh God, Pushpak, learn to speak louder. Don't remove your mask. These children, it's difficult to manage them.
Okay, children, it's your break time now. You can have your snacks. You need to maintain social distancing.
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है पार्टी हो रही है पार्टी 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 हो रही है और ये हमारी पार्टी 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 ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें ये हमारी कार है ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है
ये हम हैं, ये हमारी क्लास है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है।
यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है
चम्मच
यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है
ये मैं हूँ
यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है हमारी पार्टी हो रही है यहाँ हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है पार्टी हो रही है
Good morning, children. Good morning, sir. Hope the class is sanitized.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone go to the staff room and bring the chalk?
Sir.
Please don't come on me. You have to follow the COVID norms. Please, Lakshmi, go to the staff room and bring the chalk. Are you new admission?
Yes, sir.
Please sit down. All of you take your test copies. We'll have a surprise test. So questions will be displayed on the board.
Sir, test today. I'm not prepared, sir. How to write, sir? What to do, sir?
What you learn, that you start writing. So don't give any excuses for me. Come on, start writing.
Which book we have to write, sir? Test copy, classwork, long book, paper. Which book, sir?
Write any book which you have. What is there in your hand?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir. Nothing.
What are you hiding?
Nothing, sir.
Come on, stop writing and submit the papers.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Very easy paper, sir.
Then you should get good marks. Good.
Sir, please give me more marks.
Sure, if you have written, you will get good marks.
Sir, do you need a sanitizer?
Yes, it is essential nowadays. Lakshmi, can you please sit now? Good. What is this? You have written nothing in this. It's empty paper. Please go and sit. What is there in your hand? Please show me.
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Please go and take your seat.
Bharat?
Come on, Bharat. Start submitting the paper. Come fast.
No, sir.
Come on, Bharat. Get up.
No, sir.
Come on, Bharat. Otherwise, I will not give the marks. Come on. Come on. Please go and take your seat.
Sir, Harshita has a phone with her.
Oh, is it really? Come on, what is happening here? So, can you show me what is that? What's there in your hand? Please.
Nothing, sir.
Show me. Oh, did you bring the mobile? Yes, I said not to bring the mobile during the class. So come on, show to me. Oh my God, you brought the mobile to classroom. Can you please keep the mobile in the staff room?
Sure, sir.
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
What's happening here? I thought it was the best class. See how she's sitting quietly in the class. Can you please come here? You are such a good girl. Thank you for helping me.
I'm not a girl, sir. I'm Miss Tissy, the coordinator, and I was watching everything was happening in this class. And you both. Come front. गलती से मिस्टेक की सजा बहुत महंगी पड़ेगी बाबू. And now you have to come to principal's room with me.
Sorry, ma'am.
Dear children, hope you enjoyed this skit. One thing we would like to make it very clear that all the naughtiness that was shown in the skit was just to add fun. We do not expect you to behave likewise. The school is ready and set to welcome you, and we want you to follow all the COVID protocols. Wash your hands regularly or use sanitizer, wear your mask always, and maintain social distance. So don't worry, be happy, come and enjoy learning from school once again.
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटे बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी पर जाके पोल। मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई ना जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होठ घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया